Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm making sure today it actually records and we don't have no issues. It's about dark. It's literally getting dark by the seconds. We talked. I got home late. Doing had to eat after school and all that. And I had it for face, so I just got home. Who's talking? No, I don't know. Calm yourself, dog. So I'm going to get a ride. Yeah? Lizzie, I'll let you out in a little. I know you want to get out. Load up, dudes. Load up. Load up. Load up. Who's ready for 30-inch Aztecs in like 2 or 3 months? If you are, comment down below. Alright, let me put this on. Hold this thing up. I gotta fix that real quick. Alright, we're straight. Oh, it smells funny because it got wet yesterday. Hush! Feels cold, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hot chocolate would be so good right now, I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, this gets my hopes up high. Looking like this right here. Oh, it's completely dark now that I'm back here. I just realized that. It's gonna suck whenever the freaking, what's it called, goes underwater. The light bar. Bro, it got lower. It got lower, it looks like. You'd expect it to be higher or something. Oh well. That ain't gonna stop me from full sending it though. Steering on one hand is not as fun. Look at Deuce up there on the bank, son. tried to hit my brake light. but it's underwater. I wanted to see where I was going, but it was kind of hard to. That spider web's been there for ages, and I've still missed it every time somehow. For like, as long as I can imagine, not as long as I can imagine, like, I'm being obviously over dramatic, like, since summer started. Alright, my clutch over here, even though it's really the rear brake, it just went out. I'm just gonna slightly push it back so the brake light stays on, because it won't go back all the way on its own. Oh, never mind, we're just gonna reverse it in blind. That sounds like something I'd do. Anyways, and it's not gonna matter once that goes under. So yeah, I can still see decent. Okay, mama, man. Gotta stand on the back, you feel me? Imagine we go handlebars it. Oh, I got uneven there, that scared me. Alright, so the rut is pretty much gone, is what it feels like riding in. All the light bars under. That looks creepy, I ain't even gonna lie. It made everything else dark and that bright. That's pretty cool. It stayed on underwater. You know how much I paid for this light bar too? What makes it even crazier? 30 bucks. 12-inch light bar. Oh, my waders are making me float, and it feels weird in waders. Oh. Struggling to maneuver the four-wheeler is good with a Mountain Dew in my hand, but that ain't gonna stop me, son. Cause this is what I pull sand on. Roll down the hill, now turn. Look how smart I am. Look at that, dude. No, I'm just kidding. I think anyone with common sense could do that. I don't have much common sense, so I'm surprised I can do that. Really wish I had something to hold my drink so I could wheelie better, but we're just gonna send it. Oh, I just put Mountain Dew all in my hand. I forgot how much I hate the dark at night in the woods. That's why when it gets dark, I just ride up and down the dirt road. And like one trip through the woods, tell them too. Horsepower, son. I know y'all hear that. Okay, my money bag like a NASCAR. I'm finna drift around the corner. Never mind. Oh, Deuce wanted to get on. Is Mama leaving Grants? Yeah. Oh, I wonder if she wants to race me. Oh, no, that's Daddy that just got there, I reckon. Look at him, I'm gonna wave at him. I'm gonna let him know that he has a sissy truck. And it doesn't compare to my four-wheeler. Look at me rolling coal, son. Heck yeah. Yeah, in case y'all didn't know, I got my motor diesel swap. So actually, I gotta actually have a 6.7 Cummins in here now. That's why it has so much more horsepower, and it rolls coal. Like, tell me someone else who's full that rolls coal like mine. Look at it. Okay. your brakes off! God, you're never gonna get your license. She knows she can hit the switch and it turns the light bar off. She didn't turn her brakes off, so I didn't turn mine off. It's alright. She is like 4, so she probably doesn't know about nothing like that. But anyways, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. I'm coming, Lizzie.